Hey everyone, this is Corey from the Secure Chat podcast, and today for our Security Tip Tuesday, I'd like to talk to you about strengthening endpoint security. Strengthening endpoint security is a very good measure that an IT department can take. One of the simplest things you can do is install an antivirus on the computer. It's going to be a little intuitive, and it's going to be able to scan for malicious files or anything that's happening on the computer that should not be. It's a pretty easy way to make sure that the security of the computer is in a good spot. Another thing you can do is audit for operating systems that are out of date. So when Windows releases a new operating system, then they turn another operating system to end of life. And what that means is they no longer release updates for it, so any security vulnerability that updates are fixing, that operating system will no longer get it. So it's always good to make sure that your endpoints are on an operating system that is still in cycle. If you like what you hear or you want to learn more, feel free to go to our website where you can get more information. Thank you.